Very good morning, children. Today we will learn what are the applications of differentiation. That is, with the help of differentiation, what all we can find. So the very first application, which comes from the definition of the differentiation itself. If you remember, we had learned the definition as f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. While teaching this, I had explained you that this f dash x is nothing but slope of tangent. If I know the point x1 y1, or if I know the point of contact x1 y1, then this becomes slope or gradient of the tangent at that point. करेक्ट. ये y2 ये y1 और डिनोमिनेटर होता है x2 माइनस x1, दैट इज स्लोप और वी कैन से ग्रेडियंट. ओके, so as I already learned, we represent slope or gradient by the symbol m, correct? Slope or gradient of tangent. Slope or gradient of tangent, I am saying at the point of contact x1 y1. ठीक है, this at word is very important. So if at all I want to find slope or gradient of a tangent at p x1 y1, it is nothing but m, which is nothing but dy by dx at p x1 y1. तो जो भी डेरिवेटिव मिला है उसमें I'll replace x by x1 and y by y1. The moment I replace x by x1 and y by y1, I get slope of tangent or gradient of tangent. Correct? Now I also know that the normal is nothing but perpendicular to tangent. Correct? So here I can say slope of normal. You know that slope of normal, since it is perpendicular to tangent, I can write minus 1 upon m. What can I write? Minus 1 upon m. Hence, my equation of tangent, my interest is to find equation of tangent at p x1 y1, which is nothing but y minus y1 is equal to m. You know what is m right now? x minus x1. सिर्फ गिवन कर्व को डिफरेंशिएट करना है, x को x1 लिखना है, y को y1 लिखना है. Similarly, I can write equation of normal. It will be y minus y1 equal to minus 1 upon m x minus x1. Y minus y1 equal to minus 1 upon m x minus x1. So we'll use both these formulas to find the equation of tangent and normal with the help of the concept of differentiation. Okay, let us begin with the sums now. First one, find the equation of tangents and normal to the curve at a point on it. जो भी point दिया है, that is x1 y1. So without any doubt, I'll first differentiate. So the moment I differentiate, I get dy by dx, that is 2x plus 2 e raised to x. जो भी differentiation आया है, that becomes m, provided I replace x by x1, y by y1. तो मेरा x कितना है? 0. So 2 e raised to 0. I'll get the answer as 2. In short, I got the slope of tangent as 2. आया समझ में? जो भी डेरिवेटिव आया है उसमें x को x1 से रिप्लेस करो, y को y1 से रिप्लेस करो. The moment you replace, you get the value of m. Therefore, my equation of tangent will be y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. Correct? That is y minus 4 is equal to 2x. That is y is equal to 2x plus 4 will be my equation of tangent. Getting it? Similarly, मेरा equation of normal क्या आएगा? I'll write the same thing except the value of slope. Slope क्या हो जाएगा? Minus 1 upon m. You will first write the formula. Okay? So it becomes 2y minus 8 is equal to minus x. Therefore, x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0 is the equation of the normal. क्या आएगा वो? Normal का equation. Understood? Yes. Next, same type of question. Again, without any doubt, I'll first differentiate this. Now here I cannot write dy by dx directly. मैं इसको differentiate करूँगा. तो x क्यूब का 3x स्क्वायर, y क्यूब का 3y स्क्वायर dy by dx, and xy को I'll apply UV rule. X dy by dx plus y, correct, equal to 0. Now in this equation, I'll replace x by x1, y by y1, and dy by dx by m. Yes. So 3 times 2 का square, 3 times 4 square m minus 9x, ये m हो जाएगा minus 9y. Correct? Let us solve this. This will become 12 plus 48m minus 18m minus 36 equal to 0. So in short कितना आएगा? 30m is equal to 24. So in short my m becomes 4 by 5. क्या आएगा मेरा m? 4 by 5. So once you get m, you can write equation of tangent. क्या आएगा? y minus y1 m x minus x1. ठीक है. Now you'll simplify and write the answer. I have kept it for you. Next है equation of normal. क्या आएगा equation of normal? y minus y1 equal to minus 1 upon m. Just take the negative reciprocal. You will get the answer. Again simplify this. You will get the equation of normal. Understood? Next. अब ये देखो पैरामेट्रिक आ गया. So again first I will differentiate because again the question is equation of tangent and normal. तो क्या मिलेगा? dx by d theta क्या आ जाएगा? Yes, cos theta. What will be dy by d theta? Minus 2 sin 2 theta. Correct? Now I need to find what is dy by dx. dy by dx क्या आएगा? Minus 2 sin 2 theta upon cos theta. Now I'll put the value of theta over here. The moment I put theta, I will get m. तो theta कितना है? pi by 6 मतलब 30 डिग्री. तो ऊपर कितना हो जाएगा? Okay, I need to open this now. 2 ये आएगा sin theta cos theta into 2 upon cos theta. Correct? So cos theta cut. So m आ जाएगा minus 4 sin 30. sin 30 कितना होता है? हाफ. So in short I get m as minus 2. क्या मिला मुझे m? Minus 2. Now here the problem starts. I know the value of m, but I don't know what is x1, y1. So for x1 it should be sin theta. Theta कितना है? pi by 6. So x1 हो जाएगा हाफ. Now y1 will become cos 2 theta. Correct? क्या हो जाएगा y1? Cos 2 theta. That is cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 कितना होता है? Again half. क्या होता है cos pi by 3? Half. Whatever is the value of theta, substitute in the given equation, you get x1, y1. Now it is easy. You can write equation of tangent. Y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. And equation of normal क्या आएगा? Equation of normal भी y minus y1 minus 1 upon m. That will become half x minus half. Okay, this you simplify, this you simplify. Getting it? And get the equation of tangent and normal. Okay, now these three were the straightforward questions. Now let us move on to the next, some interesting part with your basics. Yeah. So find the point on the curve y equal to root of x minus 3 where tangent is perpendicular to the line. So I'll say let slope of tangent be m. ठीक है. अब tangent किसको perpendicular है? इस given line को. So m into slope of this line. इस line का slope कितना आएगा? minus 6 by 3 is equal to minus 1. Since lines are perpendicular, we know m1 into m2 कितना आएगा -1. This is slope of tangent, slope of line. So m मिल गया मुझे. So I am getting m as half. कितना आ रहा है m? Half. So here see, I know the slope of tangent, correct? M क्या था मेरा? Slope of tangent. And you know how to find slope of tangent if the curve is given? Yes. So I'll find dy by dx. dy by dx क्या आएगा? 1/2 root x minus 3. अब इस इक्वेशन में if I replace x by x1, my dy by dx becomes m, correct? So 1/2 root of x1 minus 3, correct? m कितना है? हाफ. So ये हाफ और हाफ कैंसल. So what is left? Root x1 minus 3 is equal to 1. Am I right? I'll square on both sides. So x1 minus 3 is equal to 1. So x1 कितना आएगा? 4, correct? अगर x1 4 है तो y1 कितना आएगा? 1. Sorry, plus minus 1. y1 will be plus minus 1. Therefore, here the point of contact was 4 1 और 4 minus 1. मतलब इन दो पॉइंट्स अगर tangent बनाया, then that tangent will be perpendicular to this given line. Are you getting it? Here I was asked the point. तो क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले the first condition that was given was tangent is perpendicular to the line. So first I got the slope of tangent. The moment I got the slope of tangent, I differentiated the curve. जैसे कर्व को differentiate किया, I can equate the slope and differentiation, and I got the values of the point at which the tangent was drawn. Okay, understood everybody? Yes. Here the perpendicular word was very important. You should remember that if the lines are perpendicular, multiplication of slopes is -1. Okay, clear everybody? Next, again the same question, only the word used here is parallel. Now when lines are parallel, their slopes are equal, correct? So what can I say? Here slope of tangent is equal to slope of line, है ना? So I'll write here, you will please mention a slope of tangent is equal to m and slope of line is nothing but 3. Slope of tangent m है and slope of line 3 है. Since tangent is parallel to line, therefore ये m is equal to 3. Understood? Now again आपको कर्व दिया है. I'll differentiate this curve. So what will I get? dy by dx as 3x square minus 4x minus 1. अब इस कर्व में if I replace x by x1, y by y1, I get slope of tangent, that is 3x1 square minus 4x1 minus 1. Now what is m? m is 3. So तुम्हारा इक्वेशन हो जाएगा 3x1 square minus 4x1 minus 4 equal to 0. क्वाड्रेटिक है, इसको फैक्टराइज करो. इट विल बी 3x1 square minus 6x1 plus 2x1 minus 4 equal to 0. So we'll get 3x1 common, x1 minus 2, 2 common, that is या तो x1 आएगा 2 और x1 will be minus 2 by 3, correct? Now for this x1 you find y1, for this x1 you find y1, then you get 2 points 2 comma y1 and q minus 2 by 3 comma y1. इन दोनों पॉइंट्स अगर tangents बनाया, then those tangents will be parallel to the given line. So what I have done, children, I have explained you the concept of differentiation and application. Calculation part you will try. I will not solve the entire sum. Some calculation basic part you should be able to solve and get your answer. Okay, clear everyone? Next, again the same question, only a small variation. Instead of tangent they are asking you normal. Again they are parallel to the line. So what can I say? Slope of normal कितना होता है? -1 upon m will be equal to slope of line, correct? Here I'll write slope of normal. You know in the starting I have taught you slope of normal is -1 upon m, एंड व्हाट इज स्लोप ऑफ लाइन? -1/3. इन शॉर्ट m कितना आया मेरा? 3. करेक्ट. अगेन इस कर्व को डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 6x - 2y dy/dx is equal to 8. Correct. Now if you replace x by x1, so 6x1 - 2y1, ये बन जाता है m is equal to 8. That is 6x1 - 6y1 is equal to 8. ठीक है. x1 y1 सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है. इट मीन्स दिस इज माई इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल. ये क्या हो जाएगा मेरा? नॉर्मल का इक्वेशन. दैट इज इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल विल बी 6x - 6y. जस्ट अ सेकेंड, लेट मी चेक. स्लोप शुड बी 3. No, we are not getting slope as 3. This is not the equation of normal. This is the one equation which I have got. That is 6x - 6y is equal to 8. Correct. Now this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. है ना? इन दोनों equation को I will solve simultaneously now. What will I do? I will solve these two equations simultaneously to get the value of x1 and y1. आ रहा है समझ में कि दोनों का point of contact P होगा, which is same. So what will I do? I can substitute the value of y. So what is the value of y? 6x - 8 upon 6 is equal to y. That is 3x square minus y कितना है? 6x - 8 the whole square equal to 8. So now exactly क्या किया? I'll tell you. First I got the value of slope. I differentiated this. I got an equation in terms of x and y. Correct? Now I have two unknowns, both x and y. जब तक एक unknown eliminate नहीं होता है, I cannot find the answer. So what I did? I solved these two equations. That is, एक equation में से y का value निकाला, उसे substitute किया to get everything in x. The moment I get everything in x, I'll find the value of x1. Correct? एक बार x1 मिल गया, दोनों में से किसी एक equation में substitute करो, you'll get y1. Once you get your x1 y1, that is you get your point of contact, then your normal equation will be y minus y1 is equal to -1/m x minus x1. Here finding the coordinates is very very important. First find what is x1 y1 by solving equation number 3, है ना? Equation 3 को quadratic से solve करो, you will get two values of x1 y1. Once you get the values of x1 y1, then find the equation of normal from the given equation. Y minus y1 is equal to -1/m x minus x1. Okay, clear? Again calculation part I have left for you. Okay, next the last one from this exercise. If the line touches the curve, अब line touch कर रहा है, इसका मतलब क्या है? That line is tangent. So I can say slope of line is equal to slope of tangent. Line is touching means line has to be tangent. That is m कितना आएगा मेरा? 4. कितना आएगा m? 4. Now I'll differentiate this, because if I differentiate this, I'll get equation of tangent. That is 2y dy/dx is equal to 3ax square. Correct? I'll replace x by x1, y by y1. So 2y1 dy/dx becomes m 3a x1 square. That is 6 into m and ये कितना आएगा? 4. So 4 cut. In short, a कितना आया? 2. I got the value of a as 2. That is y square is equal to 2x cube plus b. अब देखो, since line touch कर रहा है at this point, and this point should satisfy this curve also, this point should satisfy this line also. Since p 2, 3 has to lie on the curve, so ये हो जाएगा 9 is equal to 2 cube plus b. That is b आएगा -7. कितना आएगा b? -7. Understood? Clear everybody? Since that line is tangent to the curve at that point, so that point should be common for both the curve and the line. So to find the value of b, I substituted that point in the given curve and I got the value of b. Understood? Yes. Thank you.